Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I'm going to be using for the very first time the Jaclyn Hill Palette Volume 2. I am super excited. It's just been a long time coming. I wanted to order this for a while now when it came out, but you know, the coronavirus and just I don't know. I just recently got this. I received it like last week. These are the colors we're going to be working with today. And if you want to see how I do my makeup with this palette, then go ahead and stay tuned. So before we hop into the video, I just wanted to say again, thank you for stopping by my channel. Don't know how you found me, but I'm Danielle LaRocca, and on this channel I do beauty, lifestyle, mostly beauty, unboxings, hauls, reviews, tutorials, and just all kinds of fun stuff. I've even thrown in some challenges there. I'm going to be doing some other crazy videos later on down the line, so make sure if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And without further ado, let's just hop into the video. So I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette finally. I'm so excited. But I think what I'm going to do is go off camera and I'm going to do my face, and then I will come back and we will do the eyes together. Okay guys, so I did my face, as you can see, and then now we're gonna go in with the palette and the eyes. I have not played with this yet, just so you guys know. Haven't seen any videos on YouTube of people using it. I just kind of wanted to come on here and do my own little thing. So we're gonna get started with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyelid primer. Get that on there. I apologize. I'm not feeling my best today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've been outside a lot, going on like really long walks, and it's been super hot, so I don't know if my body is just really drained. But if I'm not my normal peppy self, that's why. My body is just feeling very sore and tired. And I got some really good sleep last night, so I don't know why I'm feeling this way. My kidney was kind of giving me some trouble yesterday, like shooting pains, so I hope I don't have any kidney stones. You know, I was Googling all of my symptoms, and I hate doing that because it just like scares you. But anyways, let's get on with this makeup look. I'm super excited. So I went in with my Fenty Beauty primer. Oh god, and these colors are just gorgeous. So here's the palette. And these are the colors. I'm really feeling like this section, the purples of course. So I think what I'm going to do is I want to go in with Therapy Sesh and use that all over my lid. I'm wearing a white shirt, so I hope I don't get eyeshadow all over my shirt.
Stay the night. I can't be alone tonight. You're the only one who makes it safe to open up. When I'm tripping over us, you catch me every time. Cause you're my melatonin at 2 a.m. when I'm stoning in a state of mind. You're the half of my breathing when we just talk to the ceiling and never felt this high. You make me feel like I'm flying. You make me feel like I'm flying. With no parachute, me and you take a risk I never do. You make me feel like I'm flying. Jump with me, we could fall 1,000,000 feet. It don't matter where we land when my heart is in your hand. It's like a remedy, and when I can't breathe, you're my
Okay, that looks really cool. And just to point out, I don't have any fallout under my eyes, which is amazing. Okay, next I want to go in with Not My Journey. It's the purple shade right under the shade that we used, and I want to take that on my Morphe M321 brush. It's the bullet crease brush, and I want to kind of put it on the outer corner.
Zoning at 2 a.m. when I'm stoning in a state of mind. You're the half of my breathing when we just talk to the ceiling and never felt this high. Never felt this high. You make me feel like I'm flying. You make me feel like I'm flying. With no parachute, me and you take a risk I never do. You make me feel like I'm flying. With no parachute, no parachute. With no parachute, no parachute.
I'm super impressed with how these are blending out. They're so nice. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go back into Therapy Sesh, the first shade, and I'm going to start blending out up around the top of my brow bone, just very lightly.
When it feels like I've been fading to the background, don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go out. But all these moments keep reminding me of just how you can have the highs without the letdowns. I overcomplicate, I underestimate how easy.
Now I'm going to go in with the shade Positivity right here, and I'm going to lightly put that on my brow bone as well.
It is to live like this, feel better if I take my time, just a second and I'll be alright. I know that there's a love that gon' find me. There's something about that feeling. There's something about that feeling.
Okay, then I'm going to go back in with Therapy Sesh and put that all over the lid again to bring back the color to life.
There's something about that feeling.
Then I'm going to go back into Not My Journey, that purple shade, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. Actually, let's take Good Place, the one next to that. We'll take this purple shade, Good Place.
There's something about that feeling. Outside the rain's done dancing with the storm clouds, but inside there's not a dry eye in this whole house. And it ain't sadness why these tears keep falling down now. I know I'm not alone, and I just get caught up in myself. I overcomplicate, I underestimate, but I know that there's a love that can find.
Then I'm going to take the shade A Moment, which is right here, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner.
There's something about that feeling. There's something about that feeling.
Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to finish my eyeliner and my mascara and my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, so this is my finished look. I love this palette. I think this is my new favorite palette. I'm super excited. I hope you guys can see the payoff of this. I'm gonna try to fix the lighting a little bit here. Yeah, this is amazing. I am not going to be doing any swatches just because I'm sure everybody has seen this palette already in all the videos that have been out, but I'm super impressed with the pigment, and I did not have any fallout under my eyes. It blends like a dream. These colors are beautiful. For my lips, I used Jeffree Star Androgyny, and then I went over that with Jeffree Star Rose Madder. I will post pictures on my Instagram as I feel like this lighting isn't really doing this look justice. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please head over to my Instagram, and I have my Instagram link in my description box below. So you can easily click on that and follow me and check out all of my makeup looks. But guys, I'm super happy with this look. I think it's beautiful, and I cannot wait to try this again tomorrow and do, I want to play with this like hot pink look right here and the yellow and the new glitter formula that she has in this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and you can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I put out next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.